Then there are lymphomas, in contrast to leukemias. So leukemias are located in the peripheral blood or in the bone marrow, whereas lymphomas are located in a lymph node or mass. Lymphomas are not myeloid, they're only lymphoid. And this is good because the name has lymph in it. So lymphomas are going to be lymphoid. And just as we broke down the lymphoid leukemias, we can break down the lymphomas into B cells, T cells, or NK cells. We can also put plasma cells in that box as well, because plasma cells are further specified B cells. But we can think of plasma cells in this category as well. But then you get to names that are slightly different, such as myeloma. But we can still put it in the big box of lymphoid differentiation. When we think of B-cell lymphomas, we can further break these down into differentials that have predominantly large cells or predominantly small cells. And so whether you have large cells or small cells, it's partly a morphologic thing. You look at the microscope and make a determination. Lymphomas with small cells will have lymphocytes that are 1 to 2 times the size of a normal small condensed lymphocyte, whereas large cell lymphomas will have lymphocytes that are 2 to 3 times the size of a normal lymphocyte. So it's not super complicated, it's just you have to understand what is large and what is small. Any differential that you have based on these is going to be very different.